How to fix Valorant Van 40, 68, and 84 error codes. Here are some tips that would help you fix Valorant Van 40, 68, and 84 error codes. 1. Valorant error code 38, 39, 40, 46, and 54. Contact Riot and ask their support team to improve the server performance ASAP. 2. To fix Van 68 error, restart the Riot client. 3. Valorant Van 84 error, it could be yet another unplanned server outage.